Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SOLIDWORKS training tutorials. In this lesson, we'll take a look at the Profile Center mate and how to use to stack components by centering one component face on another. There are options to rotate the component or create an offset distance between the faces. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you open up the Profile Center from the case study folder in lesson 1, in the Profile Center folder, you'll be faced with these three components. So we're going to use the Profile Center mate to align these up. So if we pop up here to mate, and advanced mate, and if I select Profile Center, and the first thing, if we just pick both of these faces here and line them up, you can flick them around if you want, because that's fixed in, then that's okay. And you could flip the dimension, so we could kind of add in a little dimension in that as well. Push that away there, so you can see you can add a little dimension if necessary on that. It's not required in this, so change that back to 0. And I'll select and accept that. Next then, if we again use the Profile Center and select that face and the face of the tubing, and this time we're going to lock the rotation to prevent it from flipping around. See, it's kind of round, so it doesn't have that spin, but we're going to lock the rotation because it will still spin around on that. So click OK on that, and I'll click OK to get out of that. And now if we select, hold down Control and create a couple of copies of these parts, we're going to place them on the top. This plate's going to be sort of 90 degrees to the one on the base, so we'll see how to do that in a second. So if I pop into mate, again, advanced mates, Profile Center, and if I select that face and that face, and click OK on that, and then this time Profile Center, this face, and this face, and this time I'm going to flip that around and select OK and OK on that. Now, this one isn't fixed because we didn't fix that with the pipe. So what we're going to do with this is we're just add a standard mate. So if I just come in here and do a standard sort of parallel mate, just pick one of those faces and one of those faces there, and just make sure parallel selected and click OK and finish that. And that's fixed in position then. So that's that part complete. If you'd like to see more content, if you just hit the like and subscribe button, be grateful, and I'll see you in the next video.